Okay, so Austin,
Trenton.
Anyway, so the last video of the intake install you saw, let's just say not the best recording. We had 4 people working on the car, and I was too busy to realize what we were doing, and there was a lot of bad camera recording.
Well, it's kind of hard to record a video working on the engine, anyways.
So, anyways, so we're gonna do a nice little video today. Taillights. I have both my taillights and headlights that both came in today. As you know, the hail damage took both of these, cracked them. It's bad, so we need to replace them. It's really easy. I'll provide a link for both the taillights and headlights. We're going to be installing both in this video. Taillights are just easier. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need and how to do it. Ignore the back seat. It's got
a Colombian Bam Bam under the car. Time to be a man.
Okay, so on both sides you have this little panel that just folds out. You'll see it like this. You take that out and you dig a little. What? Don't talking. Not totally.
That's all the tools you're gonna need.
Totally.
Oh, you should put that on.
No, because it's gay.
Paint it black.
Paint it black. Right back in here, we took this panel off, which is right here, and back in here. Oh, I need the light. Just do it. Back in there, you can see the taillight thing, and basically there's just one screw, and which is that like silver on top, and then you take that out and basically you unclip it and push it out. So it's pretty easy. Stock versus aftermarket comparison. So do running lights, then brake. Brake. Okay. Turn signal. Look pretty neat. Now fog. So yeah, we're gonna install the other one. We'll show you what it looks like in the end. It's gonna be kind of hard to get that whole subwoofer. And then after that, we'll do the headlights. We'll show you how to do that. So, yeah, yee. Feedback. So we have them installed, both of them. Both installed them correctly. So now we're going to do a quote-unquote light show. What do they look like? Okay. Those are running lights.
Rack.
Brake lights. Hazards. And yeah.
So magical.
Magical. So they look good. They feel good. We're probably gonna stop the video for tonight. We just wanted to install taillights. They look gorgeous. We have the old taillights in the box that we're never gonna use again. We'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. We'll show you the headlights, and we're just gonna paint the chrome trim around them to be black, because blackout gang.
Yeah.
Thought that was your girlfriend.
No, not yet.
Alright, so see you later. Peace.
Shazam.
So much.
I'm wearing flannel, nothing matches. Trenton's over here. More fuel, less talk. Dakota's in the background with some Mountain Dew. And Nevada's sitting down. So, we're doing the headlights. We took him out already. And he's playing with the harness. We got the new headlights. I just painted the chrome trim on them. I'll have a link for everything in the description if you want to purchase. Taillights are good. We're going to do the headlights now, reinstall them. There's a little bit of wiring you have to do, which we can go over. So.
Oh, that'd be like awkward to hear the video, huh?
They're underage. Ridiculous and touching.
Chooky beat.
Evidence that the topology of the world is not the topology that we ordinarily see. That is, maybe things that, from our macroscopic point of view, appear to be widely separated in space, like